Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I want to show you something. This is a Leslie upper slow motor, vintage Leslie speaker upper slow motor. Goes with this upper fast motor. Okay, now I want you to listen carefully. I have it plugged in, it's running. Listen. When I unplug it, watch what happens. Listen. Okay, watch. And I'm going to plug it up. Listen again. Now, maybe you can't hear that. Put this on the stand. I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to try to let you hear it. I'm going to unplug it and then plug it in. Could you hear it better then? Listen. Hear that slapping noise? All right, it shouldn't slap like that. So what that means is that the spring in here needs to be replaced. And so I have upper slow motor kits. Upper slow kit. So what I'll do is I'll replace the spring. I'll change this out. I'll use this kit to repair this motor. All right. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.